Okay, so we promised this is our last time. We figured because Mallory, she was really excited because how loud mine was. It inflated to the size of a balloon. So she wants to try it as well. So this is officially our last one. We promise. Officially.
Because my mom's going to kill us because of nothing.
Yeah, like she said. Because her mom's going to kill us because we made such a big mess. See, as you can see. And there's more out there. So yeah, she's fitting the baking soda into the vinegar. Never mind, I'm not talking.
Okay, yeah, just don't.
Okay, yeah, so this is just regular, vinegar? Regular vinegar and baking soda. And you just put the cap on, shake it up, and throw it, and that's how it works. Is it getting big like mine was?
I hope it is.
Not as, no, because mine, the sides went out. Ow!
Like you can't even squeeze it. Like there's no bridges in it anymore.
Oh yeah, it is. Look at it. Oh, here it goes. See. Oh, look at it! There it goes! You better throw it now, otherwise it's gonna...
You ready?
And that's how it's done. Ours officially was better than yours and Jake's and Dalton's. Bye, guys.